Audio desync can be frustrating while gaming on your Steam Deck. Here is a quick guide to help you reduce or fix this issue. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings on your Steam Deck. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly selected and that the volume levels are appropriately adjusted. Step 2. Update SteamOS. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest version of SteamOS. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve audio issues. Step 3. Adjust game settings. In the game you are playing, look for audio settings. Some games have options to adjust audio latency or sync settings. Experiment with these to see if it improves the desync. Step 4. Change audio output. If you are using Bluetooth headphones or external speakers, try switching to the built-in speakers or a different audio output device. Sometimes the connection type can cause latency issues. Step 5. Restart the device. If the problem persists, restart your Steam Deck. This can clear temporary glitches and reset the audio system, potentially resolving the desync. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce audio desync on your Steam Deck. If issues continue, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.